G'day people, how you going? This is Glenn from Australian English 101 or Aussie Lingo 101, but not many people know what lingo means. So today I want to talk about the word heaps. Heaps is just the Australian way of saying there is a lot of things. Like, look, there's heaps of trees here. Heaps of trees just means there are a lot of trees, you cannot count them. There's heaps of grass. There's lots of grass. Heaps of grass. There are heaps of insects. So, the insects, there is a high population. And here they are green grasshoppers. I'm not too sure if I can actually get one. They jump too quick. So maybe I'll get out of here into the shade. There you go. So heaps. There are heaps of trees, there's heaps of grass, there's heaps of insects. So it's just a plural of a lot. And you can use it in any sentence in which you want to count a lot of things that are incountable because there's just too many of them to count. Like the leaves on this tree, there are heaps of leaves because I'm obviously not going to go and count every leaf. That will be a bit confusing. You can do it if you take each branch and mark it off, but that would take quite a long time. So there are just heaps of leaves, and these leaves, beautiful. So that is the word heaps. You can use it just in a sentence where you have a lot of things. Doesn't matter what it is. Heaps of people, heaps of cars, heaps of airplanes, heaps of oxygen, heaps of atmosphere. So heaps of Higgs bosons. So there you go, that is the word heaps. I hope you learned a word today. And yeah, I like bushwalking a lot. Hooroo.